Space Forge and Northrop Grumman's collaboration and our partnership is a really important milestone for what we're doing here. Not only because it validates what we're doing as Space Forge, but because importantly it also helps us join up in-space manufacturing as an ambition with terrestrial manufacturing as well.
Bringing decades of expertise that Northrop Grumman has in the semiconductor industry and microelectronics, and combining with Space Forge's innovative approach for new materials and in-space manufacturing.
Space Forge has grown massively in the last couple of years. Northrop Grumman continues to grow across all of our sectors. And we think there's a clear case for both of us to collaborate and to really be more successful in our markets and deliver things to our customers.
Space is a team sport, you know. We can't do this on our own in the UK, and it's really exciting to bring in that expertise, and in particular to build out the engineering capability in Wales as well in particular.
Over the last few decades we've seen semiconductors just go everywhere in absolutely all the products we use. Through the collaboration with Space Forge we can build faster, more powerful semiconductors which need less cooling, which can deliver better products for our customers.
I've been working with both companies for several months, supporting this partnership, and finally to have it out there in the public domain, to have one of the world's leading primes working together with one of the UK's most innovative and leading companies on a really exciting area is wonderful to see.
It's really exciting to see the technology here today being unveiled that is going to be going up into space, doing all sorts of exciting experiments, and we're probably being able to be returned as a reusable platform as well, which is going to revolutionise space travel as we know it.